Good morning, everybody. I'm Rachel from Welcome to My Secret. It's Sunday, the 14th of July. I can be very slack and do nothing all day. Sometimes my body doesn't allow me to do anything all day due to a lot of medical illnesses and mental health issues. But I've decided that I'm going to try and do some things every day. I'm going to do a series of day in my life. I might do one, I might do 101. I have no idea. And I'm just going to write a short list of things that I'm pretty sure I'm capable of and, get things done. So it's 12:30 on Sunday the 14th of July. I want you to spend the first day with me and I'll see how much that I can get done. As the saying goes, first coffee. And this is my list for today, and I'll tick them off and show you what I actually do get done. First one was I needed to cook some dog food. So we all have dead things in the freezer. I watched a lady's video the other day going through a freezer, and I thought, oh my god, some of the food I wouldn't have fed to the dog. The colour of it was not so good, but each to their own, and we all eat what we want to eat and do what we want to do. So this has some pasta sauce that I've made. It's been in the fridge for ages, so it's not getting wasted, it's getting turned into dog food. And I've also cooked that with some rice. I do have a big dog and a little dog. They both eat like big dogs, so this may be enough for 2 days, but yeah, we'll see how we go. So that's the first one off the list, is cook the dog food, so we can we'll tick that one off. It's so hard when you're doing it through a camera. That's there. Okay, one's done. I'll tick it off later because I can't do it through the camera. I need to clean my fridge. I need to list 15 things for sale. It's Sunday today. Our bins go out. It's recycle bin and our green waste bin. I need to refill the old oh shit pantry. I need to change my bedding. And my big thing, which I'm not sure if I'll get done because I don't go outside, is all the way up there, is walk back to and back my back fence. I know to some people that seems easy. That's probably the hardest thing on my list for me to do, is to go outside and walk to that back fence. But we'll see how we go. So yeah, I'm just going to go and have my coffee, let this dog food cook, and I'll see you on the next job. Okay, bye. Okay, it's about 4:30. I stripped the bed. I've got stuff in the washing machine. Made the dog food. I've got in my head now I have to walk up to the back fence. I won't talk during this. I find it very hard. I don't know why. So let's go and see if we can do it. my God, I nearly did it. Well, I have to finish it now because I have to get back to the house. Okay. I'll try again tomorrow. Pretty cool. A bit proud of myself there. I did it. Had to add this as breakfast and lunch. This is the best way to eat Vegemite on a buttered crunchy roll. So the butter's from the food bank, Vegemite's from the food bank, and the rolls from the food bank. Thank you, food bank, for our lunch. Thank you, community. Time to remake the bed, and that's it for the day. I still need to list 15 items, but I'll do that later on, hopefully tonight or early hours of the morning when I wake up and can't sleep. It's about 5:30, nearly 6 o'clock. And the bed's done. I don't put my doona in the cover. You can see there, I had to chuck a doona cover on top. My wrists, arms and backs won't allow me to do that. So that's how I roll. But yeah, it's done. On to the next.